Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and continue in the pop-up. Finally, tap on this blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google to disable it. As you can see, all of those features and my sweater are now gray. That means that autofill is off. But you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!